Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Omen skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with his mask in his eye area. So this is almost going to be like his eyebrow, but we're just going to draw one curve, come around, and then we're going to slant down on the side. Okay, and then in the middle, just draw like a long triangle. Okay, and then once we have that, from this corner here, we're just going to come in and just slightly curve it back up. We're going to start down here, just curve down, and then we're just going to go all the way out to the corner. Okay, so that's the area around the eye, so let's draw in the eyeball itself. So right here, we just draw one curve, and then another curve on the bottom. Not much detail here. It's basically just an almond shape. Okay, so that's the eye area. So now let's draw in the rest of the face. So we're gonna come down here, this corner. We're gonna come down. It's gonna be very sharp. So all the way down to his chin. And then once we have that, now we're going to draw in the side of the face. So in this corner here, we're just going to slant down slightly. And then we're just going to connect this down. Just give it a little bit of flat area down here for his chin. So it's very angular. And then finally for some detail in here, we can continue this line. Just go straight down. And from this corner here, just slant up. So both sides. Alright, so now let's draw in the top, and it's got a hood here, so we can draw in the outline of the hood. We're just going to go up and then in toward the center. Okay, so once we have this, let's give this some outline here. I'm just giving it some thickness here. Okay, and then from in here, now I'm just going to keep going down. And then hook it in. So on the bottom, on this corner here, come down. Just trying to make it symmetrical, so just come in. And then now we're going to continue this outline, just come in and just close it off. Okay, so that's going to be the edge of the hood. So now let's finish up the hood itself. So we're going to come up. Make a little point, come down with the same slant, and then here we just kind of pinch it into the side here. Okay, so that's the hood, and now let's add in a little bit of detail for the face. So let's see on this mask here in the corner, just kind of go up, just go up to the other corner. And then lastly, it's got a little bit of detail here, so I'm just gonna draw two lines and just close it off. Alright, so that's pretty much his face. So now let's draw in the rest of the body. And for this one, we're going to draw his neck right here first. And it's going to be at a slant. So in the corner here, we're just going to slant toward the hood line. And then once we reach here, we're going to draw in all the way out to his shoulder. So we're going to come here. Just kind of slant it slight. Give it a little curve on the end there. So same thing here. Slight curve. And then now we're just gonna pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And then we'll close it off for the belt. Come down for his belt. And then before we join across, just come down on both sides here, because he's got a slightly different belt buckle. And then just kind of come down here in the middle. And then now we can connect these two. Okay, so just extra little details for his belt. So now let's draw in some detail here, and let's see, we can come out, let's draw in some detail on the neck. So just draw in one angle there, two curves here, and then let's fill in this some a little bit of lines here, so come across. Okay, and then we're gonna come down, slightly. And then we're just gonna draw almost like a diamond shape. And then we're gonna come down. And inside, we're just gonna simplify it. So I'm just gonna draw another diamond shape. Okay, so from here, let's finish up his clothing. So right here, we can draw just one line across all the way down. I know it gets a little bit messy, but once we add in some detail, we'll know what we're drawing. So then from here in this corner, just go out. Just continue that line. And then we're gonna come down. This is gonna be the armpit area right here. Okay, so now let's draw in his arm. So for his arm, again, here's the armpit. We're gonna come down a little bit straighter for his shoulder. And then we're gonna connect this right here. So from this line, we're just gonna go all the way out. Okay, and then here's his bicep. And start up here, curve. Here's his elbow. So his arm, we're gonna come down. Okay, now we're gonna come down slightly, and then we're gonna start up here, just draw one curve all the way down. Okay, we can close that off, and then we're gonna come down from here, all the way down to his wrist, and then we're just gonna close it off. And then we can add in some detail here. And now let's draw in his fist. So here's his thumb here, come down, just hook it. Back of the fist, come down. Here's his other finger, curled in. And then lastly, just continue this line, add some detail there. From here, just draw a little arc. And then in this here, add in some lines. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky because of this shape here. All right, so let's move on to the other side. So again, here's the armpit. Come down, so it's gonna be symmetrical to this. So again, from this corner, just gonna go all the way up to that corner. Here's the bicep. Again, we start up here. Here's the elbow. Okay, again, the arm, out, curve in, come down slightly, one big curve or straight line down here, close it off with the wrist, and then on this side, we're gonna curve it all the way down, close that off, and then now for his fist, thumb, back of the hand, fingers curled in, and then we're gonna continue this line, just curve it in, or curve it out, and then one little detail here, and then we're gonna come across, and then we'll just add 3 little lines here. Okay, so it's pretty cool looking, but it's a little bit tricky. So let's add in some lines here on this section right here. We'll just add in the same lines for some more detail, and then on this side as well. So let's try to keep it symmetrical in terms of the spacing. All right, so that's the upper body. Let's move on to his legs. So again, in the middle, come down, make a little line. From this corner here, just go all the way to the side of the hip. Okay, same thing on the other side. So now for his leg, come out, pinch in. So from here, come down, pinch in, and then we're gonna go up, close it off. And then for the knee pad here, we're just gonna come down, close it off. So it's a little bit longer here than this line here. All right, so let's draw in the other side before we go down any further. So again, come out, in, and use the other side as a reference so you know how far down. Up, close it, and then we're gonna continue this, pinch it in, and just close it off. Okay, so that's the knee pad, and let's finish off his leg. So from here, come out, And then we're just gonna pinch it in all the way down to his foot. Close it off. And this one's a little bit more angular, so it's not like a dome shape. So come down for the heel, come out, just flatten it out a little bit, and then come down. And then we'll close it off. Here's the sole. And then from here, just draw a line and just curve it. So that's actually the front of the foot. All right, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. Out. Pinch in. Close it off. And then we're gonna come down kind of straight. For his foot here, come out, flatten it out. Let's go down straight. Close it off. Here's the sole, and then again come across, down. So that's the front of the foot. And then the detail down here, we can just draw in a little angle. Okay, and then let's go back up here. Let's add in some detail here. So it's got some line here on this crotch area in the middle. Just come down 2 lines. And then on the side here, just come down with a slight arc. Okay, and then from here, just draw in 1, 2. So 1, come in, and it goes out. And then we gotta draw in those lines again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just add in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then lastly, it's got a cape. So we're gonna start maybe somewhere right here on his armpit. Just kind of curve it down. And then on the other side, let's just give it some variation. So it's just gonna come out this way. Okay, and then we're gonna continue this. And then just give this a little angle. And that is it for this Omen skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. It's definitely a very cool looking character. So if you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.